Greetings, my name is Slava Sviridovs and I'm an acupuncturist here at TMed. I studied acupuncture in London, in Reading, in England, and I've been in practice since 2006. My work experience included working in a state hospital in London for 4.5 years, where I worked with complex conditions such as headaches, migraines, cancer support, treating all sorts of pain, which was mostly chronic, also anxiety and depression. In parallel, I worked in a private acupuncture clinic in the south of England in Brighton, where I treated women with fertility issues, pregnancy support, and certain gynecological problems. I came to Geneva in 2012, and now my main practice is here. I picked up acupuncture and Chinese medicine because it's amazing. Apart from that, it allows us to work with our energies at a very deep level. It's a natural, non-chemical, and very gentle way of rebalancing our health. And we can address a wide variety of conditions without having to resort to additional forms of medication. As I mentioned at the beginning, I work a lot with female health, such as supporting fertility, pregnancy, and also the period after childbirth, as well as gynecological problems, when women can experience problems with the hormones, as well as stress conditions, anxiety, and cancer support. I'm particularly interested in this branch of acupuncture because, first of all, the female hormonal system is very complex, and each case, as in many other cases, is very individual, and it's never the same. So we always need to find a key to each particular woman to identify the blockages behind other blockages, so the cause behind the cause, the original cause. And this helps us to affect the health at a very deep level. First of all, we aim to find a pattern of disharmony for each woman and re-establish the healthy menstrual cycle. So we try to find the root cause of the imbalances and correct it. Then we also need to differentiate between natural fertility and assisted fertility, because frequently with assisted fertility treatments, the conventional medical treatments women may receive, it causes several side effects such as temperature changes, mood changes, sometimes nausea and insomnia. So we help to address all of these side effects with acupuncture. And we also help men to improve their own fertility, and it's done in slightly different ways. So depending on each couple's history and particular state at the moment, sometimes it's very helpful to come with your partner to address it globally. The allopathic medicine has great diagnostic and testing tools. They have incredible equipment. When we speak about assisted fertility, both systems are really contributing to each other, where As I mentioned before, we can counterbalance the negative effects of hyperstimulation with a calming and grounding approach of complementary therapies such as acupuncture, tuna, or gentle maxibustion, or applying heat. So it all depends on an individual case, and I think it's important to think about the fusion of both allopathic and complementary systems to achieve better results. Ideally, after each acupuncture session, a woman should feel better on 3 different levels: in her body, in her mind, and in her spirit. Also, since she's trying to become pregnant, we're expecting her to have a healthy pregnancy as the result of the treatment. So if you would like to find out how acupuncture can help in your particular case and experience it firsthand, you're very welcome to come and see us at TMed. Also, if you would like to find a bit more how acupuncture can contribute along your fertility journey, please don't hesitate to check our blog, which is at our website tmed.ch.